today we are trying out
that trendy Korean powder mask for the face, moisturizing, tendering, glowing, and so.
I've seen influencers, aestheticians, and beauty specialists and Koreans have been trying this mask.
Yeah.
So that's why I want to give it a try together. Korean beauty is a trend now everywhere. Yeah.
The skin, the baby skin.
Yeah. There are different types of this mask, but I chose this one because it's for brightening. This mask promises to even out your skin tone, smoothing your skin,
Moisturizing and the glow especially.
yeah. I want to try it now on camera to see really how it works.
To mix it with almost...
Water. So how many ml is this?
No, this is the 15 gram.
15 gram.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you know? Wow, you're very smart. Okay. I'm excited.
And
Oh, it looks exactly like this. Oh,
Yeah.
same color. Are you sure yours is enough?
it could be mixed with rose water, mineral water, Evian water, or normal water. It's fine. Some people do use the rice water as well. So it depends of your skin lifestyle routine.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the right texture. Perfect texture.
Guys, you can look at this.
Right,
Please,
yeah,
write
it's
in the-
running.
Write in the comments which one is jelly, mine or her. Hello,
Jelly
camera.
mine. I'd have like more. It's not gonna dry. I swear.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
In the video, she keep it liquid.
Drying.
I told you have to put water. I saw the lady on the video. Uh-huh. And look, guys, do you remember? Oh, demonstration. Look at mine.
It's still the same.
Who's the best now?
You.
The texture is too soft.
Too soft, right?
Yeah, for the skin. The skin is happy now.
It's a peel-off mask, you know that?
No way.
It's a peel-off mask, yeah.
That's why you put a lot.
Yeah, that's why you put a lot. What do you think about my face? Ooh.
Sorry, guys, for teaching you wrong demonstration. But discover it by yourself.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's too soft for your skin.
Men are obsessed
Man
with
should
skin.
be Nigerian face.
Nigerian face?
Men.
You know Nigerian guys? Men, do you
Why?
like Nigerian guys?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So you like the strong masculine men?
Really, it's like for some people, it's the side. It doesn't want like I just want to scrub it. It doesn't feel like I want to scrub it. Like that.
But how do they apply it on Instagram?
See?
Can I see? Okay. Oh no, Raja, it's not supposed to be like this.
I can feel
I
it.
think we did something.
But here you can feel it. Look at it.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't believe anything I see on Instagram.
No.
Our peel-off mask is not a peel-off mask anymore. We have to wash it out
Scrub.
because it's more than 20 minutes. It's not drying out. In fact, I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
I think it's not.
But it's very good. It's very relaxing when you do
It's
that.
just relaxing. What else
Yeah.
did it do to your skin? Absolutely nothing. Raja, this is.
No, when you scrub it like that, you feel relaxed.
I think I'm still wet.
Why? Because you put a lot here. It should be like one. Dry it might.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. I think. Oh, look at this.
Yes.
Oh.
So yours, better than mine.
Oh. Look at
We said
this.
20 minutes. How come on now?
Okay, 20 minutes. Yeah. By the way, how does my skin look? Forget the camera. Look at me in real life.
Yes.
Your skin is beautiful, actually.
Yours is very glowing.
Is it glowing really for
Yeah,
you?
yes, yes.
Oh.
Struggling here, guys.
Yeah, we're struggling. Nice you on the internet anymore.
We're not post this video?
We are posting.
Yeah.
Think about the face mask.
Wallahi, the face, mine, it's dried until it remove all the things. It's not moisturized anymore. You
Really?
fix glow, moisturize.
I think that's because I have oily skin by nature.
Mm-hmm.
It's not showing off. So we have to
Wash our face.
wash our face. We'll be right back. We just finished washing our face. And can I see? Your face looks fresh.
Yeah, yours as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's nice.
No, it's good. It's a good one.
we're not supposed to mix it for far too long, right?
Yeah, and we applied small quantity.
Yeah, how will you rate it?
8.
8?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it 6.
Didn't follow it as it should be.
What else should I have done differently?
You
We're mixing for too long
until, yes.
and it crumbled. To be fair, I'm gonna rate it 7 out of 10. How about you, Raja?
No, still 8.
Still 8?
Yeah.
Okay, that's because it's a little bit difficult to use. You need a proper ratio and you have to directly apply on your face. Next time, when we want to try this face mask at home, we'll do it the other way around. Look at Raja's face, and this is my skin.
It's give you moisturizer that you need, and especially in summer, which makes you feel cool. So unlike like you slept 8 hours.
Yes,
Fresh.
yes, it's refreshing. I like it, but we don't know how long this effect is gonna last. Sometimes it just lasts for only an hour. Thank you, Raja, for stopping by and creating videos with me.
My pleasure.
Let me know if you would like to see more of Raja on my channel in the comment section below so we can do more fun videos together, because she is absolutely a vibe to be around. I'm telling you guys. And I'm gonna leave her link so you can go over there and follow her and see what she has to do with us.
Welcome to
Bye.